Hello everyone, my name is Pushparaj Menon. I am heading the TCS CogniX Platform for Data Center Services. Today we are going to talk about TCS CogniX Platform for Data Center Services. Our research indicates 87% of CXOs believe leveraging platform-based services with artificial intelligence, which will help their organization become resilient and purpose-led. Now, significant percentage of them either adopted or in the process of adopting platform-based services to transform their IT landscapes. The focus is also shifting from consuming IT services from vendors to selecting transformation partners who add value to the organization. So let's look at why there is a need for alternate service delivery model. Today in a data center environment, we require multiple vendor tools like monitoring, IT service management, automation, reporting, etc. for delivering the services. The integration between the tools is key for effectiveness. Now, configuration and integration of these tools typically takes 3 to 6 months, in some cases more, depending on the customer's environment. The other challenge is as customers move on to digitalization, they require new set of tools and investments. Lastly, unavailability of automation framework. We do see that most of the customers have some level of automation in place, but not a good framework and an enterprise tool. TCS CogniX Platform is such an operational transformation initiative from TCS to overcome these issues. TCS CogniX Platform is a modular, global, secure, multi-tenant platform offering standardized, futuristic IT services with integrated process and technologies. This platform is pre-integrated with end-to-end infrastructure monitoring, IT service management, automation, dashboard and reporting capabilities. Basically, a pre-built solution bundled with services and offered to the customer. This platform's cognitive automation solution is powered by IGNU that helps IT rapidly identify and remediate outages in quick time and allows customer to realize the value of artificial intelligence. The platform offers business agility while delivering multi-tool integration, quick onboarding, and instant service enablement. It takes very minimal time to integrate the platform with the data center, enabling all the functionalities. We also have infused TCS mission first delivery model in the platform services, and we have around 100 plus out of box automation use cases, which can be delivered to the customer on day one with very minimal customization. TCS CogniX platform pricing is offered through service catalog based consumption model where customer can pick and choose some of the services based on the service window and service availability requirements. The platform also ensures 100% availability to enable business resiliency and comes with server level of inherent security and regulatory compliance. The platform offers end-to-end infrastructure services, which includes data center services, digital workplace, and service desk. Now we will proceed to the quick demo of CogniX platform. Today we are going to see two use cases for the demo. How the infrastructure operations are managed by the support teams in a single pane of glass for triaging and remediation of any data center related incidents. The second one is the intelligent dashboard and reporting module that provide transparency of service assurance for customer in a single pane of glass. This portal is fully secured multi-factor authentication and role-based access control with single sign-on. This view gives the accessibility to different functionality of CogniX platform. This includes monitoring and event management, where the operations team will have full view and access to all the monitoring and event management tool in a single pane of glass. AOps, this basically shows the detailed view of all the incidents and request automation use cases. Reporting will show different types of IT service management and infrastructure services reports. And IT service management shows entire dashboard of the incident problem change related dashboards from an IT service management perspective. Let's move on to the monitoring and event management console. This is the event management view integrated with the monitoring, IT service management, and automation engine. 80% of triaging can be handled from this console for the data center services, and the operations team can get detailed insight in a single view before they log into the server for further troubleshooting. Let's look at one of the incident. This incident is related to a swap memory, and as you drill down, the operation team can get more details about the incident without logging to the servers. It will show the different alarms and KPI related to this CI. This alert has also created an incident automatically within the service management system. There is an investigator view which can be accessed by the operations team for troubleshooting and triaging. The platform also provides topological view which can be accessed by the operations team for troubleshooting and triaging. This platform also provides topological view with the relationship mapping and impact analysis of a specific CI very quickly. If you look at this screen shows a particular CI and all the impacted related CIs. For example, it is it's a SQL server which will have either connected to a different OS or an application or any other services. So moving on to the console, you can also notice that the case-based automation is enabled for this incident and incident is automatically resolved. So conventionally, this cycle takes 40 to 50 minutes for the operations team to log into the event management system, analyze the alarms, acknowledge, validate and log into the affected server and apply the required SOPs. But this incident automation lifecycle is completed end-to-end within 10 to 15 minutes, including the resolution update in the IT service manager, which is drastically reduces the MTTR. Now let's move on to the second use cases of intelligent dashboard and reporting, which will be normally accessed by the customer. As part of CogniX platform for data center services, we bring in tools integrated not only to provide service assurance, but also the transparency of service assurance through dashboard and reporting for the customers in a single pane of glass view. Key tools from the platform like service management, performance management, event management modules are integrated within this dashboard to view and to provide intelligent dashboarding and reporting. We have around 120 plus out-of-box KPIs, intelligent dashboards and reports in the platform. Let's look at the executive view. This screen shows the executive view of a retail customer. This retail customer has their business presence across the globe. This view gives quick insight to any business impact or a store availability due to an outage across geography. It also provides all the details of the impacted CI, the status of the incident, including the major incident manager contact details, which will provide a quick reference for further action. This also shows the total number of incidents for a particular period of time with their status. The next view talks about the business critical devices and their performance, which will help to take quick actions on those. Now let's look at the infrastructure performance view. This view is for an IT infrastructure manager who would need more insights to manage the day-to-day operations. This provides a holistic view of how the infrastructure services are being performed along with the key impacted configuration items in detail. There are global filters enabled within the visualization layer, which are flexible enough to filter the details based on configuration items, assignment groups, severity, and much more. This view not only limited to infrastructure performance, but also provide extensive insights on service management SLAs and so on. Based on the type of business, these dashboards are customized accordingly during the process of onboarding the customers. So what we have experienced just now is the glimpse of CogniX platform end-to-end integration services view. Thank you for listening to us. We would like to thank HP for this wonderful opportunity to speak about TCS CogniX platform. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you and stay safe.